public school, most respected Shri Ganesh Shankar Pandey, Honorable Guest of Honor Mr. G. Chandra ji, Mr. Santosh Pandey ji, Shri Sudesh Pandey ji, Shri Kripa Shankar Pandey ji, Shri Dinesh Chandra Tripathi ji, Shri Dr. Haren Sharma ji, who is present over here, and all the distinguished guests, respected media persons, and my very, very dear children, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am extremely delighted and thrilled to be amidst you this afternoon. I am all the more excited because today the performance, the sports performance as well as the cultural performance was wonderful. Wonderful, really wonderful. I would request all the guardians present over here to give a big hand to these in the honor of these children. I have addressed my dear children as my very, very dear children. I really need to say so because to me every child is an incarnation of God. And somebody has said, किसी मासूम बच्चे के तबस्सुम में उतर जाओ, किसी मासूम बच्चे के तबस्सुम में उतर जाओ, तो शायद ये समझ पाओ कि खुदा ऐसा भी होता है, तो शायद ये समझ पाओ कि खुदा ऐसा भी होता है. And I really mean to say so. My very, very dear children, you see, you are the future of this country. You have to shape this country. You have to become a good citizen of the country. Besides your regular studies, you have to take lead in all fields of all walks of life, like sports, games, extracurricular activities, painting, drawing, and everything. What not, even leadership. That you have to do. You have to lead the country. So you have to work hard because of all your sports and cultural activities. Several qualities develop among you automatically, like patience, like hard work, like struggle, like sacrifice, like fraternity, like helping others, like assisting others. So all these qualities automatically develop among you. So these habits also you have to inculcate. You have to inculcate the way of a healthy life. How to remain healthy, because an unhealthy person cannot lead the country, cannot serve the country. An unhealthy doctor cannot treat his patient. An unhealthy advocate cannot lead the case of his client. So I request, even an unhealthy ascetic person cannot serve the country, cannot preach the world whatever he wants to preach. So I would request to inculcate the habit of being healthy also. Besides, you have to work very, very hard. Somebody has said, कश्ती को भंवर में गिरने दे, मौजों के थपेड़े सहने दे, कश्ती को भंवर में गिरने दे, मौजों के थपेड़े सहने दे, और जिंदों में अगर जीना है तुझे तूफान की हलचल रहने दे, जिंदों में अगर जीना है तुझे तूफान की हलचल रहने दे. और मछली की तरह चल पाएगा एहसास तुझे पायाबी का, मछली की तरह चल पाएगा एहसास तुझे पायाबी का. जीना है तो अपने दरिया में इंसान तलातुम रहने दे, इंसान तलातुम रहने दे. My very, very dear children, I am extremely pleased with the performance of the teachers over here, the teaching faculty. I am really very, very grateful to them because they have given such a program, they have given such a training that they could be able to give such a wonderful program. Somebody has said कि पत्थर को बहुत दस्त को घर हमने बनाया. What these teachers do, the guardians who are present here, I am definitely sure that in future they will assist them in doing so. कि पत्थर को नदी बना दिया, पत्थर को दस्त में छोटा जंगल, पत्थर को दस्त को घर हमने बनाया, पत्थर को दस्त को घर हमने बनाया, और आम को हम रंगे हुनर हमने बनाया. और पत्थर को दस्त को घर हमने बनाया, और आम को हम रंगे हुनर हमने बनाया. और जवान इसे दूसरे न बनी बात कमन में, जवान इसे दूसरे न बनी बात कमन में, जवान इसे दूसरे all the very, very best in your future life. And with these words, I would end कि हर उदास चेहरे को रास्ता दिखाना है, हर उदास चेहरे को रास्ता दिखाना है, बीवियों के सामने आसियां बनाना है। अरे आंधियों के दीपक तो कोई भी जला देगा, लेकिन मंदिरों के दीपक हर उदास चेहरे को रास्ता दिखाना है, बीवियों के सामने आसियां बनाना है, और मंदिरों के दीपक तो कोई भी जला देगा, लेकिन आंधियों के सर पे हमें एक दिया जलाना है, आंधियों के सर पे हमें एक दिया जलाना है। With these few words, I would like to thank you very, very much and giving me an opportunity to come to this rural area, but a very, very bright public school. I am really, very, very thankful to our speaker, honorable speaker, sir, and pleased to be with you, and thank you again. Thank you.
आपको इतनी जल्दी छोड़ने वाले नहीं है।